I mean, when I was on my way here this morning from Waukesha, my car thermometer still showed 82 degrees. So yeah, I cranked up that AC on the way here. That's why my ponytail's all poofy. I'm like, I'm not even going to bother with that because the humidity is that bad this morning. So I am live at Divine Coffee. I wanted to mention the fact that the manager did tell me that a lot of the drinks they have we can make with cold brew, we can make it iced, make it to go. So there's lots of options there, and this is where I am located this morning. It's a really cute spot. It's right across the tiny little street that's from the Rock Sports Complex, right across Franklin Field. You really can't miss it. It's wonderful, and it's such a beautiful space. But I do want to get you going with your forecast today. Big story. We know what the story is, the heat. And you can see on this map here, this shows the heat risk, not just here in Wisconsin, but across the nation. There are some spots this morning that are also going to be in the same boat as us with those heat index values that are going to be well into those triple digits. Current temperatures right now, as you mentioned, there's not a lot of relief overnight. That's why we have an extreme heat warning that is in effect through Wednesday, 7 p.m. That means that's basically 3 days in a row of an extreme heat warning. Those dews are in the mid 70s, which is just gross. You need the AC cranked up at night, in the morning, all day long. The maximum heat index today could reach 105. Same thing tomorrow as well. And then it starts to kind of wane a little bit towards the end of the week. So maybe you're heading to a pool today. I need to find a friend with a pool at this point. 83 degrees at 9 a.m. By about noon, we're sitting at 88 degrees. Again, that's not the heat index. That's the actual temperature. So the heat index is going to be, frankly, much hotter. If you're heading to the Brewer game tonight, you really need to hydrate. Tailgating time, temperatures are in those mid-90s with southwest winds kicking in 10 to 15 miles an hour. The dews are what makes it nasty. And we have nasty dew points in the 70s basically the next 4 days. So we're in the hot and humid part of our summer. And there is a weather system I'm tracking that's over off to the west. What I expect it to do is basically it's going to stall just to the north of us, kind of near Fondy and Sheboygan, and also getting into some areas in like Green Lake and Marquette County. And you can see that frontal boundary right there on your screen. It's going to pop up a couple of scattered showers, I would say tomorrow morning. A couple of those are going to be there. I don't think they're in Milwaukee. And then by tomorrow evening, that front's going to try to sag its way to the south. That could bring us a couple of feisty thunderstorms on Wednesday night. That is something we're absolutely going to be watching because A, they could be a little strong at times, but B, this could provide a little bit of relief as well, which is certainly some good news there. As far as how much rain is concerned, you might get 1 to 2 inches further north. Around here, we could use some rain. I don't expect a lot for us. 4th of July does feature some of those chances of thunderstorms in the forecast because that system does work its way south. I think after the 4th, it could provide a little bit of relief, but it's not just us, guys. It's the entire country that are dealing with warmer than normal conditions. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast that does feature basically starting tomorrow. Every day has some kind of chance of a thunderstorm. It just depends on when and where they fire up, but it's still going to be hot and humid for the next couple of days.